Best protein for size. In today's crowded supplement market, finding the right protein powder can feel as technical as picking a gaming keyboard. Just like keyboard enthusiasts evaluate switch type, build quality, layout, and value, savvy shoppers of protein powders should assess protein source, mixability, macronutrient profile, and cost per serving. Whether you're looking to bulk up, lean out, or maintain muscle, this guide reviews 5 top-rated options, giving you clarity on what works best for your goals. Product number 1, Premier Protein Shake Cafe Latte, 30 grams of protein. The Premier Protein Shake in Cafe Latte flavor delivers a strong 30 grams of protein per serving, making it a simple, ready-to-go option for those who value convenience. According to the brand, each 11.5 fluid ounce unit contains 30 grams protein, 160 calories, 1 gram sugar, and 24 vitamins and minerals. Its coffee-infused flavor also gives a mild caffeine boost equivalent to a cup of coffee, great for a morning pick-me-up or post-workout sip. The ready-to-drink format means no mixing required, which is ideal for busy days, travel, or as a backup when you can't prepare a shake. That said, being a pre-mixed drink limits customization. You can't adjust calories, mix-ins, or serving size. For those tracking macros strictly, the 160 calories per serving may be higher than a DIY shake. Overall, though, it's an effective grab-and-go solution for meeting your protein target with minimal effort. Product number 2, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. The Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey is a long-standing benchmark in the fitness community. Each serving provides roughly 24 grams of protein, sourced from a blend of whey protein isolate, concentrate, and hydrolyzed whey. It also contains over 5 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs, supporting muscle repair and recovery. The formula is gluten-free and RBST-free, offering broad compatibility for different dietary needs. With dozens of flavor options and good solubility, it provides one of the strongest combinations of quality and versatility. Because it's a powder, it allows you to tailor your serving size, calories, and mix-ins, milk, water, fruit, according to your goals, whether size, strength, or lean muscle maintenance. On the flip side, it doesn't offer the 30 gram per serving headline some competitors use, so you may need to stack or supplement to hit higher targets. If you're serious about performance and size gains, this remains a go-to foundation supplement. Product number 3, Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. For folks following a plant-based diet or simply seeking cleaner ingredients, Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder is a strong pick. It delivers 21 grams of organic plant-based protein per serving, typically from peas, brown rice, and chia seeds, and just 1 gram of sugar. The product is USDA organic, soy-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO, appealing to those who prioritize ingredient quality alongside performance. The presence of prebiotic fiber in some versions further supports digestive health. Because plant proteins often digest differently than whey, absorption may be slightly slower, but for size goals, it gives a viable alternative when dairy isn't an option. Some users mention the flavor or texture is less smooth than whey blends, so mixing with milk or in a smoothie may improve experience. If you're building size but want to stay vegan or allergen safe, this is a solid compromise between clean label ingredients and performance. Product number 4, Premier Protein Powder Vanilla Milkshake. Coming back to the Premier brand, the vanilla milkshake version of their protein powder delivers 30 grams of protein per serving with just 1 gram of sugar and roughly 150 calories. The milkshake flavor profile makes it appealing for those who dislike the typical chalky or bland taste of protein powders. Because it's a powder rather than a ready-made shake, you gain flexibility. You can adjust serving size, mix it into pancakes or oats, or use as a base for smoothie bowls. It's also keto-friendly, soy-free, and gluten-free, making it suitable for many dietary protocols. On the other hand, When targeting size or mass gain, you may still need additional calories from whole food sources or higher calorie mix-ins. The flavor-forward profile might appeal to users who struggle with basic taste in supplements. Overall, it delivers great value for size-focused users wanting a treat-like shake that still hits strong protein numbers. Product number 5. Isopure Zero Carb 100% Pure Whey Isolate Protein Powder. If you're focused sharply on lean muscle retention while adding size and want minimal carbs and sugars, the Isopure Zero Carb Whey Isolate is tailored for that. Each serving provides approximately 25 grams of 100% whey protein isolate with 0 grams carbs and 0 grams sugar. Because whey isolate is more highly filtered, it's very low in lactose and other potential digestive irritants, making it suitable for sensitive users. It also contains added vitamins and minerals for broader nutritional support. The trade-off? With lower carbs, you may need to pair it with additional calorie sources if your goal is substantial size gain rather than lean maintenance. Some users note the taste can be more neutral or less flavorful compared to blends with more flavor additives. That said, for building muscle size while controlling carb intake or staying lean, it's a top-tier performance supplement that delivers high-quality protein in a minimalist formula.